Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So here I am from Las Vegas. We drive all the way to Utah. We will be going to the Zion National Park tomorrow. So we have chosen to stay at Springdale and then staying at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott. So I will tell you why I picked this in addition to being a Marriott Bonvoy member. But this is quite nice. It's a one-bedroom suite. So consider, resort that we stay at National Park. This is actually one of the very, very comfortable one. We stay at one at Yellowstone before, which is very expensive, but it's not up to this standard. But anyway, so we're pleasantly surprised. I'm going to go through the room tour very quickly. So they do have the ice bucket, and even with the capsule coffee maker machine. And then they have a mini fridge, which we can put our water in here. As when I check in, they say as a Marriott Elite member, we actually get 2 bottles of water. So we can redeem the voucher at the front desk. So that's what we can do. So very nicely, very nice decor with that accents, with that Zion National Park essence on the wall. And then this is the living room area as the one-bedroom suite. And then even with the work desk area. And internet Wi-Fi is free. Okay, so can actually, use the YouTube. This is actually one of my video in the Philippines that is on right now. And this is a king-size bed. So it's quite cozy, quite nice. And then what you see very interesting is this is the backdrop of the room with the Zion National Park backdrop. So this is really wonderful. That's the view to wake up to. And the air conditioning is very cool, like literally very cool. So, in the heat, this is very good. And then this is the closet area. And then this is the bathroom. So they do have the stand-up shower. And then some basic amenities. And actually they are using the North 39 amenities here. And do provide the hair dryer. And then that's basically the bathroom. Sorry, I dropped something. Okay, so let me explain to you why I picked this hotel. So this is the amenity first. So I just mentioned we will have 2 bottles of water. And then we also get complimentary buffet breakfast in the morning, Wi-Fi access, and the pool and the hot tub. We'll be here for 2 nights. It's like 6 p.m. right now, so we just arrived. So tomorrow, that is the plan to go to the Zion National Park. For those of you who do not know, you cannot drive in there. So you have to take a shuttle, and the shuttle will bring you to the Zion Canyon Visitor Center. And from there are other shuttles to bring you around for the Zion National Park. So actually this hotel, the SpringHill Suite, is very close to the shuttle point number 6. So we just have to walk out and then we wait for the shuttle, and then we'll have a full day at the Zion National Park tomorrow. So that's the plan. So follow us, we'll show you the breakfast, we'll show you what's around here. And our exciting adventure at Zion National Park in Utah.